This video will demonstrate how to replace the PCB board in the YUME Swift. Keep the electric scooter completely powered off and unplug all chargers. Step 1. Open the deck. Step 2. Remove all the plugs from the old PCB board. Cut the cable tie. Unplug the battery power. Unplug the white plug connected to the controller. Unplug the plug connected to the display. Unplug the plug connected to the relay. Unplug the plug connected to the 3-in-1 switch. Unplug the plug connected to the headlight. Unplug the plug connected to the rear taillight. Step 3. Prepare the required new PCB board. The white plug is connected to the controller. Insert the plug for the rear taillight. Insert the plug for the headlight. Insert the plug for the 3-in-1 switch. Insert the plug for the relay. Insert the plug for the display. Apply adhesive tape to the back of the PCB board. Put the PCB board back in place. Finally, connect the plug to the battery for power. Put the foam back in place. Cover with the waterproof pad. Replace the cover and tighten all the screws. Reattach the silicone deck grip. The PCB board replacement is now complete. For any further questions or inquiries, please contact us at YUME After Sales Service email, After Sales Technical Team WhatsApp